Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TikTok Lite and check performance settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download TikTok Lite, open your device's App Store. If you're using Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type TikTok Lite and press enter. Look for the official TikTok Lite app in the search results. Tap on the app to access its download page. Click on the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, open the TikTok Lite app by tapping on its icon. Now, let's check the performance settings. On the main screen of TikTok Lite, look for the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile icon to access your profile settings. In the profile settings, locate the gear icon for settings. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to find the performance section. In this section, you will see various performance-related settings. You can enable or disable features like video quality and data saving options. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Once you've made your adjustments, exit the settings menu. You are now ready to enjoy TikTok Lite with optimized performance settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.